Hey you guys, welcome to another episode of Cook and Eat with Chef DJ. Tonight I'm not cooking, but I'm definitely gonna eat something. We gonna eat. We gonna eat. Yeah. So tonight's dinner is brought to you by Panda Express. I have here some spicy beef and shrimp, which is new to the menu. I'm gonna try it out. Oh, that's good. When I say good, that beef is spicy. It's spicy, but it's spicy so good. Makes sense. This is good. Then I got the beige. When I say good, it's very good. It's the right amount of spice. It's not too spicy, but it's spicy enough. Then I got the Beijing beef right here. Let's try the Beijing beef. The Beijing beef is actually very good. One guy told me that it was his favorite because it's like slightly fried and it has a little bit of crispiness to the Beijing beef. They bread it a little bit and they fried it somewhat. It's almost like a General Tso beef, but it's very good. Very tender. Very tender. You taste the soy, you taste the garlic. Very good. That's really good. Very, very good. And then I got some orange chicken. Let's try that out.
Hello, chicken.
That's good. Taste the citrus, a little bit of spice, a little bit of duck sauce, minimal salt. Man, I haven't been to Panda Express in like a long periodically time. Periodically is not a word, but I'm going to use it today. I haven't been to Panda Express in a long time. I got it with some lo mein noodles. Noodles cooked perfectly. Not too soft. Not too al dente. I don't like a crispy noodle unless it's on top of something like a salad. But that spicy shrimp and beef.
Almost got me. It hit me right here.
My voice got all hoarse and everything. Sound like I had been tarrying or something. All right, Panda Express. Been a long time. Reunited, and it tastes so good. That spicy beef and shrimp is awesome. Sauteed onion and peppers. A little bit of ruffles. A little lo mein noodle. Come on, noodle. Dip it up on that sauce. How you doing? That's good. That's very good. That orange chicken is really chickening. So, Panda Express, appreciate you. You did very good. Thank you for dinner. You made my stomach feel wonderful. This is good. So to that, I will say, do this. Do this right here. Yeah. Oh, yeah.